Hey, Lily! Wow,
Hi, Jack.
I didn't expect to see you here. How are you?
What a surprise. I'm doing really well, thanks. How about you?
I'm great, just walking to work. It's a nice day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I love sunny mornings. I actually go for a short walk every morning before work.
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I don't like waking up early, but I try to keep a routine. What about you?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. on weekdays. I need some quiet time in the morning.
That's nice. What do you do after you wake up?
First, I drink a big cup of coffee. I can't start my day without coffee. Then I check my phone and read some news.
Same here. I also check my phone, but I try not to spend too much time on it. After that, I brush my teeth and get dressed.
Do you have breakfast every day?
Yes, always. Breakfast is very important for me. I usually eat eggs, bread, and sometimes fruit. What about you?
Honestly, I don't always eat breakfast. Sometimes I just drink coffee and leave the house.
That's not very healthy, Jack.
I know, I'm trying to change that. Maybe I should start eating something small.
Yes, even a banana or yogurt is good.
Good idea. So, what do you do after breakfast?
I leave home around 8 a.m. and go to work. I usually take the bus. It takes about 30 minutes.
That's not too bad. I go to work by car, but traffic is sometimes terrible.
Oh, yes, traffic can be really stressful. Do you listen to music or podcasts in the car?
Yes, I always listen to podcasts. It helps me relax and learn new things.
That's great. I sometimes listen to music on the bus.
So, what do you do at work?
I work in an office. I answer emails, join meetings, and talk to clients. It's busy but interesting.
Sounds good. I also work in an office. I spend a lot of time on the computer.
Yeah, same here. What do you do during your lunch break?
I usually eat lunch with my coworkers. We talk and sometimes go for a short walk.
Nice. I usually bring my own lunch from home. It's cheaper and healthier.
That's smart. I should do that too.
After work, I feel a bit tired, so I like to relax.
What do you usually do in the evening?
I go home, change my clothes, and then I read a book or watch TV. Sometimes I cook dinner.
That sounds relaxing. I usually go to the gym after work.
Wow, really? Every day?
Not every day, but about 3 or 4 times a week. It helps me stay active.
That's a great habit. I should exercise more.
We can go together sometime.
Ha ha ha, maybe. That could be fun.
What do you do at night?
I usually take a shower, then I spend some time on my phone or read a little more. I go to bed at around 11 p.m.
That's early. I usually go to bed at midnight.
You should sleep earlier, Jack.
I know, but I like watching videos at night.
Haha, me too sometimes. But sleep is important.
You're right. I need to improve my routine.
We all do. Nobody is perfect.
That's true. By the way, do you do anything special on weekends?
Yes. On weekends, I wake up later and meet my friends or spend time with my family.
Nice. I usually sleep more and play sports or watch movies.
That sounds fun.
Yeah, weekends are the best.
Absolutely.
Anyway, I need to go now. I'm getting late for work.
Me too. It was really nice seeing you.
Same here, Lily. Take care.
If this video was helpful, please like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new videos.